So I'm here today with the lovely Lily and we're going to show you how to do a really cute ladder braid into a bun. So I'm going to start off by just parting the hair. I'm going to go really steady, so I want to sort of come in about here. And then we're going to be making like an arc shape around the head. And then you're just going to keep coming around the head like that. And then I'm going to come back to this side and I'm just going to take a slice of hair from here separately. So just clipping that bit out the way and then come back to the front, and you're also going to just put this piece of hair out of the way as well. So just smoothing all this hair, and I'm going to put this on the right hand side, this ponytail. So use a wax spray if you need to, or a gel spray, or even water. Just make sure this hair is nice and smooth, no flyaways. I'm just giving this hair a little spray to make sure that none of it moves out of place. We'll deal with this ponytail at the end. So just releasing this left hand side back down, and we're going to do a braid here. We're going to do a French lace braid. So I've just got a little bit of wax on my fingers just to make sure there's no flyaways. I'm going to take this section of hair here. So we're going to break this section of hair into three, and we're going to do a French lace braid. So you're going to go over the middle, over the middle, over the middle, and then before we go over the middle again, I'm just going to leave out a little section of hair like that. So now we're going to go over the middle and we're going to add in a little section of hair, and again we're going to leave out a little section. Over the middle, add in a slice of hair, over the middle, leave a little section out. So I just want you to keep going, adding in these sections, and you're going to create almost like an arc shape with this braid. I'll show you what I mean when I come to the other side. And then once I've run out of hair to add, I am just going to make some little pieces still come away. So I'm crossing over the middle, not adding in, crossing over the middle, leaving a little section just to kind of finish off this braid. So I'm just popping a little elastic in this style, and then we're going to pick up all these strands that we left out into another braid. So I've just joined this little braid over onto this side to this ponytail. And then you're going to release this little section here, and this is the last part of the style now. So we're going to be breaking this into three again. And we're going to go over the middle, over the middle, over the middle, and then we're going to add in one of our little ladders. And then we go over the middle, add in a ladder, over the middle, add in a ladder. Really please. And you're just going to keep on adding in these little sections into your French braid. And then to finish off this style, I'm going to do a regular braid. I'm going to braid this quite tightly. And then I'm just going to kind of wind this hair up really neatly. And then you'll just get some little hair grips and just gently push this into place. So I'm going to do a little spin. The light is setting beautifully for us so we can see the style perfectly. You just got these little ladder sections coming down, cute little bun, round to the other side. Let me know in the comments what you think of this style.